Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulullah. Understand Al-Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series, lesson number 44b, in which we will learn the three noun keys fa'il, maf'ul and fi'l. Earlier we had learned three verb keys, fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al. From the same fa'ala we can make three important nouns, fa'il, maf'ul, fi'l. Fa'il means the one who does or doer. Maf'ul, the one who is affected. There is no shorter translation. Maf'ul, the one who is affected. And fi'l, to do or act of doing. Fa'il, maf'ul, fi'l. Translate. Fa'il,
doer.
Maf'ul,
The one who is affected.
and fi'l, to do.
do.
Again, fa'il,
Doer.
maf'ul,
The one who is affected.
fi'l,
To do.
Repeat after me. فاعل مفعول فعل.
Fa'il, maf'ul, fi'l.
Again. فاعل مفعول فعل.
Fa'il, maf'ul, fi'l.
MashaAllah. You have already learned that plural of Muslim is Muslimun, Muslimin. So what will be plural of fa'il? Fa'ilun, fa'ilin. And plural of maf'ul? Maf'ulun, maf'ulin. Again, what is the plural of fa'il?
Fa'ilun, fa'ilin.
And maf'ul?
Maf'ulun, maf'ulin.
So let's take dialogues now. Everybody is doing something good, alhamdulillah. So when I ask you, hal anta fa'il, are you doer of good deed? You will say, na'am, ana fa'il. And if I say, hal antum fa'ilun, you will say, na'am, nahnu fa'ilun. So answer me, hal anta fa'il?
Na'am, ana fa'il.
هل أنتم فاعلون؟
Na'am, nahnu fa'ilun.
We have also learned that the feminine of Muslim is Muslima and its plural is Muslimat. So what is feminine of fa'il?
Fa'ila.
And its plural?
Fa'ilat.
Feminine of maf'ul?
Maf'ula.
Its plural?
Maf'ulat.
MashaAllah. We have seen that from the word fa'il we can make its plural fa'ilun, fa'ilin, or its feminine fa'ila, or its plural fa'ilat, and so on. Similarly, from maf'ul we can make maf'ulun, maf'ulin, maf'ula, maf'ulat, and from fi'l you can also make its plural, and so on. Therefore, we are calling these three words fa'il, maf'ul, fi'l as noun keys. Okay, three noun keys. In the previous lesson, we have learned three verb keys, fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al, from which you can make the rest of the forms. Similarly, in this lesson, we have learned three noun keys, fa'il, maf'ul, and fi'l. Alhamdulillah. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.